Welcome to the Visualize YouTube channel and the Soulcraft AI weekly AI tips, where we give you simple, easy to action tips to help you use AI better in your business. So today we're going to use something that's been in ChatGPT for a little while. I just haven't done a video on it, so I'm going to do it today. So every day I like to check the news and see what's happening in the AI world. And one of the things that I like to check on is what's going on around AI-powered chatbots, because I think that they are absolutely going to be the number one AI application over the next at least 12 months. So I want to get a bit of a report every day on this, and I don't want to have to go and manually do it each day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get ChatGPT to actually do that for me and send me an email. I'm just going to click in my chat box here, and I'm going to use the Windows H key. I want you to set up a task for me and give me a report every morning at 7:30 on what the new trends in AI are for the day. In particular, I want to focus on website chatbots, or chatbots in general, that are powered by AI, and see what's out there and see what's happening in the industry. All right, so off that goes. Now that's going to do a little bit of work in the background, but basically it's going to set up a task, and that task is there now. So I'm going to get the daily AI chatbot trends report daily at 7:30 a.m. And it's going to come to me in my email. I can have a look at it, but it'll also pop up on ChatGPT as well if I happen to be using the app at that time. So there you go. That's really cool. You can set up all different types of tasks, reminders, all that sort of stuff. But I find it really useful just for getting your daily information and a bit of research. Hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you on the next one.